find the best ideas left as yet unimplemented, looking at the elements of a project retrospectively is often valuable. The question is how to do the looking. Ordering a list by priority is one possibility, but prioritizing a large number of ideas in various states of description is difficult and can be discouraging. There may be hundreds or even thousands of ideas in the list of unimplemented features and improvements. Stacking them up in strict priority order could be frustrating and contentious among colleagues, as well as premature. Instead of priority order, try making a list of goals and organizing ideas and tasks in a project's backlog by which goal they enable an organization to meet. Instead of assigning priorities to features or tasks, prioritize goals, and the organization's tasks priorities will follow. While this approach solves a practical problem, it also illustrates how product management that is well adapted to Agile can help an organization use Agile more productively.